In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion template. We're going to walk through this using a goals tracker page as an example, but you can follow the exact same process for any Notion page you want to turn into a reusable template for others. First, open the Notion page you want to share. In this case, that's the goals tracker. Make sure the page is fully set up the way you want people to see it. Your properties, views, and layout should all be in place. It's a good idea to remove any personal information or private data at this stage, because whatever is on the page can be visible to anyone you share it with once it's public. With your page open, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This is where all the controls for who can access your page are located. You might already see some share options if you've shared the page internally, but for a public template, we'll go a step further. Inside the Share menu, look for the option that says Publish. Go ahead and click on Publish. Notion may show you a panel or pop-up confirming that you want to publish this page to the web. This basically means that your page will get its own public link that anyone can open in a browser, even if they don't have access to your workspace. You'll likely see another Publish button in that panel. Click on Publish again to confirm. After a moment, Notion will generate a public link for your page. At this point, your page is available on the web, but it's not yet set up as a proper template other people can duplicate with one click. To turn it into a template, look for an option on the published page that says Duplicate as Template. Click on that. This tells Notion that visitors should be able to take a copy of the page into their own workspace. When someone opens your published link, they'll see a duplicate button they can use to instantly copy your setup. If there are any areas highlighted in the interface, those are usually showing you important controls or confirmations. Go ahead and click on those highlighted sections if Notion is prompting you to confirm your choices or finalize the template settings. Once you've done that, your template is fully shareable. You can now send the public link to anyone, add it to a website, or share it on social platforms, and they'll be able to duplicate your Notion template into their own workspace.